Alright, YouTube, the header change. As you can see, got both sides out now. I did the driver's side yesterday, did the passenger side today. I initially thought that the passenger side was going to be much harder because it seemed like you got less space under there. And because the driver's side, I was able to get most of the stuff from the top. But this one, I actually got everything from the bottom because I had less room up on top. Yeah, just look at this. This is the passenger side exhaust manifold. If you took notice from the driver's side, it's a little bit different. On this side right here of the header, you got two bolts that screw up to it. The driver's side did not have that. So hopefully when I get the new headers in the mail, everything will fit just right. Didn't really have to remove anything on this side like I did on the driver's side, other than the oil dipstick, which I probably didn't need to take off either, but I just wanted to make it a little bit easier to do. So I'm still waiting on the new headers to come in the mail. Once I get those new headers, then I'll do a side-by-side comparison and let y'all know. From what I can see, the new headers should fit onto this exhaust with no problem, because the headers that I bought, they're supposed to be for 6.1, 6.4 liter, which always had the 2 3/4 exhaust. So I shouldn't need any reducers or anything. I should be able to just bolt those new headers right up to the factory X pipe back there and then go about my business. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated once I get the new headers in. Like I said, I'll do a side-by-side and get them installed in the car, and then let y'all know what's next. Thanks for watching. Oh, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Help me build a channel. Really big in this Mopar stuff. Just starting out with the YouTube stuff. And I really wanted to come with y'all and give y'all a video talking about headers for these cars, because all the stuff I see on the internet is like the older model Dodge Chargers and Challengers doing headers on them. This is a 2018 model. I couldn't find anything on the internet for the 27 and 2018 RTs as far as headers, so that's why I decided to make this video. So if you like what I'm doing, again, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know if you got any questions or anything. Send me a message anytime. Again, thanks for watching.